black cocaine.
But it's natural, it's legal.
Black cocaine.
This is legal. Halal in Arabic we say.
It's
Block
legal.
block one nostrils. Block one nostrils.
What is black cocaine?
Block one nostrils now.
One nostril.
Block one.
one, yeah.
Sniff slowly
Smell
and
it
give me a big one.
deeply.
Speed. Have you been in Colombia before?
Oh.
You are a good sniffer, by the way.
Another side,
Is it the other side?
another side.
Go. It's a calibrate. Big one. Cleans your sinuses. Stop snoring.
Can you...
Antiseptic.
No more snoring.